Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Honda Accord Sport. Looks absolutely phenomenal in this red color. I have to open it from the inside. Nice large trunk area. Tons of back seat room. Really nice back here. This one has the 1.5 liter turbocharged motor with the CVT. Some pretty nice seats, really comfortable too. So you can change through a bunch of different modes. Economy, sport mode. Sport mode brings up your boost pressure. Nice. Really nice switch gear in here actually too. But without, actually you do have paddles behind the wheel, which is a nice feature to have. You could also get a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder in the Accord Sport, and that was pretty much a detuned version of the Type R motor. Good amount of power, perfectly ample for what it is. Brakes feel phenomenal, a ton of bite on the initial press of the pedal. Really nice interior too. Everything here is soft touch, except for the plastic down low, but I would rather have that hard than squishy. But other than that, really nice. Sound system sounds phenomenal. Steering wheel feels great in your hands. Tons of different multifunction features. It's a really nice interior. Not too much turbo lag either. Must be a smaller turbo. Paddles work awesome too. Downshifts and upshifts are really, really quick. Nice and darty handling too. This thing is a lot of fun on this back road. The paddles are so rewarding to use. I find myself shifting way more than I should be. Just because it's so much fun to just go up and down through the simulated gears from this CVT. The car does exactly what I want it to. Over these bumps. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.